Hey WhatsApp, welcome to my One Make Money review channel. Today, we will talk, transform your ebook writing and selling game forever with ChatGPT Fast Ebook Mastery. How to create and sell profitable ebooks on WarriorPlus quickly. So friend, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. From Brian Lee, as a writer, I've always struggled with creating ebooks that are not only high quality but also sell well. In the past, I would spend countless hours researching, writing, and editing my ebooks, only to end up with a product that didn't meet my expectations. But ever since I discovered ChatGPT, everything has changed. With this powerful AI tool, I'm able to create ebooks quickly and efficiently, without sacrificing quality. ChatGPT has made the entire ebook creation process so much easier, from researching topics to generating outlines to writing the content itself. And the best part? With ChatGPT, I'm also able to sell my ebooks on WarriorPlus and other platforms with ease. No longer do I have to worry about the technical aspects of publishing and promoting my ebooks. ChatGPT takes care of it all. Thanks to ChatGPT, I'm now able to focus more on what I love, writing and creating, and less on the tedious and time-consuming tasks of ebook creation and marketing. It has truly been a game changer for me and my business. Without ChatGPT Fast Ebook Mastery, you may be missing out on a huge opportunity to create and sell profitable ebooks quickly and easily. Without the proper knowledge and tools, it can take hours, days, or even weeks to create an ebook from scratch. This means you could be missing out on potential profits and wasting valuable time. Moreover, if you don't have the knowledge and tools to sell your ebooks effectively, you may not be able to reach your target audience and generate sales. This can result in a lack of income and the inability to grow your business. But with ChatGPT Fast Ebook Mastery, you can easily learn how to create and sell ebooks on WarriorPlus quickly and effectively. You'll have all the knowledge and tools necessary to streamline the ebook creation process and optimize your sales strategy. This means you'll be able to save time and effort while maximizing your profits. Without ChatGPT Fast Ebook Mastery, you may struggle to create and sell ebooks, but with it, you can unlock your full potential and achieve your business goals. If you are interested in purchasing this software, then click on the link in the video description box, and stay tuned by subscribing to my channel to get updates like this new make money online method. Thank you. Then let us know the details. Okay. Introduction. ChatGPT Fast Ebook Mastery. ChatGPT Fast Ebook Mastery is a comprehensive guide that covers everything you need to know to create and sell profitable ebooks on WarriorPlus. The course is divided into 5 easy-to-follow modules, each designed to help you master a different aspect of ebook creation and selling. Module 1. Introduction to ebook selling. In this module, you'll learn the basics of ebook selling and why it's such a lucrative opportunity. You'll also learn about the potential pitfalls to watch out for, and how to avoid them. Module 2. Creating ebooks with ChatGPT. This module will show you step by step how to create high-quality ebooks using ChatGPT. You'll learn about the different types of ebooks you can create, as well as how to choose a topic, structure your content, and design a professional-looking cover. Module 3. Writing high-converting sales copy. In this module, you'll learn how to write persuasive sales copy that grabs people's attention and convinces them to buy your ebook. You'll learn about the different elements of effective sales copy, as well as how to use proven copywriting techniques to boost your conversions. Module 4. Setting up your sales funnel. In this module, you'll learn how to set up a high-converting sales funnel for your ebook, including a landing page, order page, and thank you page. You'll also learn about the different tools you can use to create your sales funnel, and how to optimize it for maximum sales. Module 5. Launching and promoting your ebook. This module will show you how to launch and promote your ebook for maximum sales and exposure. You'll learn about the different marketing channels you can use to promote your ebook, as well as how to create an effective launch plan and track your results. Module 6. Scaling your ebook business. In this final module, you'll learn how to scale your ebook business to reach even more people and generate more revenue. You'll learn about different strategies for scaling your business, as well as how to manage your time and resources to maximize your profits. As you can see, ChatGPT Fast eBook Mastery can revolutionize your ebook creation and selling process. But don't just take our word for it. Here are some testimonials from our satisfied customers. I had been struggling for months to create and sell my own ebook on WarriorPlus. But after learning the tips and tricks from ChatGPT Fast eBook Mastery, I was able to create a profitable ebook in just a few days. The step-by-step instructions were so easy to follow and the results were amazing. Thank you, ChatGPT. Maria L. Blogger. I've been in the ebook business for years, but ChatGPT Fast eBook Mastery really took my game to the next level. The advanced selling strategies and promotion techniques were invaluable, and I've seen a significant increase in my profits since implementing them. This is a must-have for anyone serious about ebook selling. John S. Marketeer. I was hesitant to invest in another ebook creation course, but ChatGPT Fast eBook Mastery exceeded my expectations. The bonus material on finding promotional links was a game changer for me, and I'm now able to generate even more traffic and sales for my ebooks. The support from the ChatGPT team was also top-notch. I highly recommend this course. David P. Designer. Before using ChatGPT, Sarah was intimidated by the thought of creating and selling ebooks. She didn't know where to start and had no idea how to market her ebooks. However, after using ChatGPT, she was able to create ebooks quickly and easily, and market them effectively on WarriorPlus. Her ebooks were in high demand and she was able to make hundreds of dollars with every ebook she created. She now has a successful ebook business that generates passive income for her every month. Sarah. Marketeer. Samantha had always wanted to write and publish her own ebooks, but she felt overwhelmed by the process. She didn't know where to start, and the idea of formatting, designing, and marketing an ebook seemed like a daunting task. Then she discovered ChatGPT Fast eBook Mastery. With the step-by-step guidance and user-friendly interface, Samantha was able to create and publish her first ebook within a matter of weeks. She followed the strategies for promotion and sales outlined in the course, and within a month, her ebook had generated over $500 in profit. Samantha was thrilled with her success and continued to use ChatGPT for each new ebook she created. She was amazed at how easy it had become to turn her ideas into profitable products, thanks to ChatGPT's powerful tools and resources. Samantha. Marketeer. Here's your free download. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your ebook creation and sales game with ChatGPT Fast eBook Mastery. For a limited time, we're offering a special discounted price of only $17 for the first 50 customers who purchase the product. This is a massive discount from the regular price of $97. Act fast and take advantage of this offer before it's gone. With ChatGPT Fast eBook Mastery, you'll have the power to create and sell profitable ebooks quickly and easily, and take your online business to the next level. Don't wait, order now. If you are interested in purchasing this software, then click on the link in the video description box, and stay tuned by subscribing to my channel to get updates like this new make money online method. Thank you. Then let us know the details. Okay, so friend, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. 30 days money back guarantee. We are so confident that ChatGPT Fast eBook Mastery will help you create and sell profitable ebooks that we offer a 30-day money back satisfaction guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the product for any reason within 30 days of purchase, simply email us and we will issue a full refund. We stand behind our product and are committed to your success, so you can purchase with confidence knowing that there is no risk involved. About the author. Brian Lee. The author of ChatGPT Fast eBook Mastery is a seasoned expert in the field of ebook creation and sales. With over a decade of experience, he has helped countless clients to turn their ideas into profitable ebooks. He has a passion for teaching and has created numerous successful courses on ebook creation and marketing. His experience and expertise are evident in the comprehensive and practical nature of the ChatGPT Fast eBook Mastery course. He has put together a step-by-step program that is easy to follow and delivers real results. He is confident that this course will help anyone who wants to create and sell profitable ebooks on WarriorPlus. Despite his impressive track record, the author is approachable and friendly. He understands the challenges that come with creating and selling ebooks and is always ready to lend a helping hand. His goal is to empower his students to achieve their dreams of creating successful ebooks and growing their online businesses. So if you're looking for a reliable and experienced guide to help you create and sell profitable ebooks, look no further than ChatGPT Fast eBook Mastery. With this course, you'll have all the tools you need to succeed, and an expert mentor to guide you every step of the way. If you are interested in purchasing this software, then click on the link in the video description box, and stay tuned by subscribing to my channel to get updates like this new make money online method. Thank you. Then let us know the details. Okay, so friend, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Goodbye.